guys, we're here at Victoria Dam. We've decided to go for a hike. So winter is coming but it's cold already here. It's perfect for bushwalking or hiking. It's not too hot. So yeah, let's go and roam around.
The first part of the hike isn't great. There's a long straight road down to the dam, but it gets more interesting after that. Made it to Victoria Dam. This was the first dam to supply water to the city of Perth. It was first built in the late 1800s. But this dam behind us is the replacement dam. It's a new dam that was built in 1991 to replace the old one, and we'll see that one in a minute. What's this part, love?
This is called the spillway. So if the dam is full, they will use this part.
So we can see here the old Victoria Dam in front of us. It's a lot smaller. I think it was only about 1 gigalitre, and the new one is about 8 gigalitres.
But the pipes there.
Yep, so the pipes are to take the water in and out of the dam.
This dam or that dam?
The new dam. Here we've got the old dam wall, the original Victoria Dam, and a section of the original pipe. Here we have the old and the new. And the plane. Here are the pipes to take the water in and out of the dam. So they have natural runoff from the rainfall, but they also pump desalinated water and groundwater into the dam. In the background we've got the pump station and the chlorination building and some surge vessels. Is it haunted? Thanks for joining us on our hike to Victoria Dam. Please subscribe to us on YouTube to see more, or like our Facebook and Instagram pages. See you next time. Bye!
Bye! 2, 3, go. Hi guys! So it's weekend. We've decided to go here at Victoria Dam. And yeah, the winter sorry.
We've made it to Victoria Dam. This is the first dam that was the water supply for the Perth city. It was originally built in the late 1900s. That's not right.